Hi students. Now let us see an example on arithmetic operators in Python. So regarding the theory, you can see there is another video which explains completely the theory information related to all other operators. Okay, let us see just a program here. So here, what are the different arithmetic operators we have here? We have the plus, which is used to perform the addition of two numbers. Minus is for subtraction. This is for the multiplication asterisk. This is for the forward slash is for the division. And the percentage is to find out the remainder. This is and this two forward slashes is for the floor division. And star star, these two indicates for the power. Okay. So what I'm doing here is these are the all arithmetic operators. So I'm reading the two inputs at a time. So to read the multi inputs at a time, I can have these specify the variables by separating the comma here and enter x comma y values dot split whatever. So what it does this split function when I am giving the value something 10 space 20 with the spaces. So based on this space, the values are divided and this is stored inside the x, this 20 is stored inside the y. So whatever the input you enter, that will be read in the form of the string only. So how do you convert that string to integer? So I have a function called a map function. What it does, this converts the from string to integer. So because I need to both the values as integer only, so I'm converting at a time with the help of a map function here. So once you converted the both x and y as integers, now you perform that operation here. So let's see here the result. So I'm giving the x value as 5, y value as the 2. See, 5 plus 2 is the 7, that is for the addition operation, subtraction 3, multiplication 10, and division. See, when I write 5 by 2, it's giving with the float values. But whereas when I write 5, 2 forward slashes, only it's giving the integer part. Okay, that's the difference between the single forward slash and two forward slashes. And this is for percentages for the remainder. So 5% 2 is 1. Then 5 star star. Nothing but this is x to the power of 5. Nothing but this is 5 square. So 5 square is how much? 25. Okay. So like this, using all these operators, I can perform the various mathematical operations. And all these operators comes under the arithmetic operators.